We've all seen those videos. I made $1 million on YouTube in just 30 days, or how I blew up overnight. I'm here to say something different. YouTube didn't change my life in 5 weeks, but it sure changed it in 5 years. If you're here looking for some sign that starting YouTube is a good idea, I'm not going to tell you it's all sunshine and rainbows. By the end of this video, you'll have a better idea of if it's the right path for you. From making my first clumsy workout videos, switching niches, quitting, traveling the world, and eventually finding my footing as a content creator. It's been a wild ride, and I'm still on it. Let's start at the very beginning, where I had no idea what I was doing, but I picked up a camera anyway, because sometimes just pressing record is the biggest step you can take. So in 2019, I finally decided I'm starting YouTube. I had no plan. I just knew I wanted to share something, anything, and see what happened. My first attempt, workout videos. I filmed them at the gym with my knockoff GoPro action camera from Amazon. It's like $100. I thought this could be it. Spoiler alert, nothing happened. Almost no views, no comments, except 1 like. Next, I pivoted to road trip vlogs, turned them into these super raw travel videos. I thought, everybody loves travel, right? Apparently they didn't. All I heard were crickets. I'd upload, watch the view count, barely move, and wondered why. Fast forward a few years, I was in school for marketing, and I had these grand ideas about merging media and marketing. I did some college vlogging, hoping it would catch on, but still nothing. At this point, I was uploading at least monthly with no traction. I started thinking, maybe I'm just not cut out for this. So I kind of resorted to just doing low effort vlogs of my college life. I was frustrated, exhausted, and frankly, I was ready to move on. During that break though, I focused on school for the most part and content here and there, telling myself, well, if it's supposed to work, it'll work. Maybe this content thing isn't for me right now. But life has a funny way of circling back. Eventually, I became the VP of marketing in a student marketing organization. Suddenly, I was managing campaigns and studying analytics, which after graduating helped me land a job as a content marketer. Boom. Now I was editing, analyzing metrics, making content, filming content. I was just doing a lot of things I already did, but on the next level. It hit me. If I applied what I was learning here to my own channel, maybe I did have a shot. I quit my safe job after a year to go all in. Half the time, I was a travel creator, booking flights to Japan, Korea, Vietnam. The other half, I became a wedding cinematographer, learning from one of the best in the industry, my mentor, Sean. He even got to film this amazing clip of a solar eclipse wedding, which was unreal. But it wasn't just epic sunsets and glamorous ceremony shots. I was juggling uncertain travel budgets, filming and editing on the go. I'd be up till 3 a.m., second guessing every transition, wondering if I made a huge mistake leaving my stable paycheck. Financially, it was rough. Travel costs, camera gear, software subscriptions. Emotionally, it was exhausting. Missing out on social events, always worrying about cash flow. But I realized it was the price I had to pay if I truly wanted to pursue this dream of being a YouTuber. After all those twists, quitting jobs, traveling, filming weddings, failing on YouTube multiple times, I've landed here, working as a creator at a marketing agency, and somehow enrolled in a $15,000 membership to improve the company's YouTube channel. Yep, that's a huge investment. But this mentorship has helped Mr. Beast grow his channel, and I'm absorbing more than I ever thought possible. Strategy, audience retention, how to read analytics, you name it. It's all fueling my ultimate goal of growing my own channel. So after 5 years, am I a massive YouTuber with million subscribers yet? Unfortunately not, but I am someone who's learned what it really takes. I started out hoping YouTube would change my life in just a few weeks. We tend to overestimate what is possible in 1 year, but underestimate what's possible in 5 years. I'm not done, My dream is still to be a full-time YouTuber, just like it was on day one. I have a bit more skills in the context to keep that dream alive. Then when I started, I worked in banks, restaurants, and now I'm creating videos for a living. Every step was like obtaining a new piece of the puzzle, one piece at a time. Eventually, you create a whole picture. And maybe you're wondering if YouTube is a good idea for you. And truthfully, it won't give you a mansion overnight, but it can open doors you never imagined. You gain skills, meet incredible people, and see life from a whole new angle. If you're passionate about art, creating, or fulfillment, or really just testing your limits, YouTube might be exactly what you need. And who knows, 5 years from now, your story could be the one that inspires the next wave of creators to go out and start a journey. And since you made it this far, it seems that you might be interested in starting, but you might not know how. So I've made this video here that breaks down the stages of creating content, the obstacles you'll face, so that you know what to do when you get stuck making a video. Go check it out before making your first video. I'll see you there.